Hello, Project Lead the Way Computer Science class. This is Dr. Langhorst. We are on Remote Learning Day number 3, and it is March 25th of 2020. Let me start off by saying you guys are doing an amazing job. I'm so impressed with how you guys have been turning in assignments. You guys did the jokes on Monday. Yesterday, you guys turned in your design sketches for the app. They look amazing. They're awesome. I'm going to try and grade some more of them tonight. So if I haven't put a grade on it or commented on it, don't worry. I'll get to that as soon as I can. But looking through them, you guys are doing great. You're holding up the design sketch so we could take a picture of it. You guys are turning it in. And in a couple of them, I could even see somebody poking around the back side of the paper. So that was cool to see some of your guys' faces. So let's move on to step number 3. So I got a Google Doc down below that gives you kind of the instructions. But today I just want you to get into App Inventor and start coding a little bit. So all I want you to do today as a minimum is to code the home screen. So you should have a graphic of some kind that kind of depicts that it's kind of a comedy app or a funny app of some kind. A lot of you guys sketch that on your design sketch. But that's all you need to do today is just to design and code the home page. Now, if you want to work ahead, okay, so if you want to work ahead, today's Wednesday. If you want to work ahead, Thursday, the assignment is to code out the joke screens for joke 1 and 2. And then on Friday, the assignment is to do the joke screens for jokes 3, 4, and 5. All right. So if you want to work ahead, I'm telling you kind of what we're doing over the next 3 days. You want to work ahead, that's awesome. If you just want to do the home screen today, that's fine. There's not going to be anything for you to turn in today, so you don't have to turn anything on Classroom, but just kind of telling you what the next couple of days are like. And if you want to work ahead, go ahead and work ahead a little bit. It's supposed to be kind of nice tomorrow. You want to put it off until Thursday and do more of it on Thursday, that's fine. But by the time we get to Friday, I'd like you guys to kind of have all the main parts in so that it's pretty much ready to go. I'm working on a couple ways to have you guys test the apps. I'm talking to some of the other teachers, and we're trying to figure out some ways to make that happen. And I'll probably do a survey at some point with you guys and see who has an Android device so that you can test it at home. So don't worry about testing it right now. Just worry about building the app, and we'll test it later. Now, if you want to work ahead, remember that on the requirements, when you shake the joke, right as the punchline screen comes up, there's going to be a laugh sound. Okay, so I went and downloaded a bunch of different MP3 files that are different kinds of laughs. Some of them are kind of annoying. Some of them are kind of weird. But you guys can pick what kind of laugh sounds you want to put in. You can go ahead and download them from Google Classroom, and then go ahead and you're going to import that media into App Inventor. Okay, so think about how we did that with some of the other apps. So the nice thing for me teaching remotely is if I was in the classroom, you guys would download some of the most annoying laughs, and I would be hearing it like 10,000 times. But with remote learning, your parents and your siblings are going to be the ones that hear that annoying laugh over and over and over again. So I don't have to worry about it. That's awesome, isn't it? Yeah, it's awesome for me at least. So anyway. All right, so basically today, nothing to turn in, just work on the home screen. There's one other thing that I'd like you to do today. You'll notice that on the desk behind me, there's all kinds of items on this shelf. And so I thought it'd be kind of cool to maybe tell you the story behind some of those. But I wanted to give you the choice on which story I was going to tell. So on this part over here, I created a little video, and I'm showing you 4 different little items over here. And then there's a Google form where it shows 4 of the items, and you're going to pick one of them. The one that gets the most votes by tomorrow at about like 4 o'clock or whatever, I'm going to record a little video. And then in the next couple of days, I'll tell you the story behind whatever you guys pick. So all the things back here have kind of an interesting story, or at least I think they're interesting. That's why they're there. So I thought I'd tell you the story behind the one that you think you'd like to know the most about. It's just a bonus item. It's not a requirement. I just thought it'd be kind of fun. You know, this is whatever for us, like day number 10 or 11 of being in the house, just trying some crazy stuff. So you guys are doing awesome. If you got a question, let me know. Love hearing from you guys, bouncing back some comments on some of the stuff. If you guys need anything, let me know. But go ahead and start working on that app and make me laugh. All right. We'll see you in class tomorrow. Thanks, guys. Be good.